Here is our Year 1 Phonics Review for Summer 2, Weeks 4 and 5. So in Week 4, the children learn all the alternative ways of making the augh sound. And then they spent the rest of the week reviewing the previous graphemes that they'd learned throughout this year. And Week 5, again, we were reviewing and really consolidating all those alternative graphemes to make sure that they're really secure with their reading before they head into Year 2. So this is the augh sound that the children learn in receptions, the letter O and R. And then this year, they've also learned all of these alternative ways of making the augh sound. Now, this sound, augh, is probably the one that's got the most alternative graphemes. So this week, we've really consolidated those final 4 graphemes that make the augh sound and the ones that we've learned previously as well. So let's do a little game here. Let's see if you can spot the augh sound in these words. Have a look and see if you can spot them. You can pause the video if you want more time. Let's see if you got it right. Did you spot them? Here is the augh sound in the first word, the letters A and W. Make the word D, R, or draw. And then we've got the word popcorn. And then we have dinosaur. So the letters A-U-R are making the augh sound in dinosaur. So now we're going to learn some other ways of making the augh sound. So here is a 4-letter sound, augh, and we've seen this in tricky words like taught and things like that. So this is the sound that makes these 4 letters make an augh sound. Now, this is a tricky word we've learned, which is hour, but these 3 letters also make an augh sound in some words, like the word yaw. And finally, this is another way of making the augh sound here. Oh, not finally, we've got one more. So the letters O, A, and R. And now finally, another trigraph for making the augh sounds, the letters O, R, and E. So let's have a look at some words that have those sounds in. Right, once again, can you have a look and see if you can spot the augh sound? Pause the video if you need more time. How did you get on at finding the augh sound? So in this one, here is the 4-letter sound. D, or, t, daughter. Next one, f, or, 4. That's like the number 4. This one, or, raw. And finally, sn, or, snore. Well done. Okay, so as we know, for the rest of weeks 4 and 5, we've been really reviewing all the sounds that we've learned and applying our knowledge to reading lots of different words. So I've now got a few sentences that have got a mixture of all the sounds and words that we've been learning over the last half term. So what I'm going to do is show you the sentences, and you can have a go at pausing the video and apply your phonic knowledge to read the sentence and see if you can remember the sounds and the words in there. Okay, are we ready? You can pause the video to have a go at this one. Hey, how did we get on? It's the naughty unicorn dropped popcorn on the floor. And maybe once you've had a practice of reading your sentences, perhaps you could have a go at reading it again using prosody. Remember, prosody is the expression in our voice. Okay, pause the video and have a go at reading this sentence. Okay, how did you get on? Are you ready? The lambs were climbing over boulders to get to the lush grass. The lambs were climbing over boulders to get to the lush grass. Okay, pause the video and have a go at this one. How did you do? Listen to the puppies as they wriggle and whine. I'm about to say, and I'm going to read that again because actually I almost got that mixed up. Listen to the puppies as they wriggle and whine. It's quite difficult to say with the 2 urs in there, isn't it? Okay, let's have a go at the next one. Pause the video and have a go at this one. Okay, how did you get on? The crocodile is a difficult animal to love. I agree with that one. It would be difficult to love a crocodile, wouldn't it, if it kept snapping at you? Let's try it again. The crocodile is a difficult animal to love. And finally, I thought this was a really fitting sentence for our last sentence of our phonics videos for year 1. So pause the video and have a go at this one. How did you get on? Did you manage to read it correctly? I'm going to read it for you. We should celebrate our success. And that's really true because you've all worked so hard in year one, learning your sounds, learning to read your words and developing fluency, as well as all your other learning that you've been doing. So well done for an amazing year in year one. That is our final phonics video for the entire year. So I think let's give ourselves a big clap and say well done.